Hey everyone. So today we are going to practice the first kick of Muay Thai, the roundhouse kick. Okay, one of the powerful kick in martial art. Okay, it is going to be a very basic one, and with each session we will go advance on it. So I'll show you how to increase your speed, how you can make your combinations with punches and roundhouse kick, then how you can add power onto this. Okay, so I am going to train Sonu each step of this roundhouse kick. Please watch carefully, and if you want to learn, then follow my steps. Then you can be kind of a even though you are a new learner, you don't have any idea about that, slowly if you'll follow all our instructions, you will be very good on this. Okay, so then let's begin about our practicing roundhouse kick. Now I'll show how to practice roundhouse kick and what is the difference between Muay Thai roundhouse kick and other martial art like karate and all. Okay, karate and judo, and what is the benefit of roundhouse kick. Okay, so to first the practice from our guard. Okay, we'll go like this. So you can see I am just going straight. Okay, so in other martial art like karate and all, so they bend and they go for the kick, bend and kick. But in Muay Thai we go direct. Okay, so our shin will touch, this shin will contact, not the feet. So again, okay, so as you can see, I am trying to hit with my shin, not with my feet. Okay, so in Muay Thai, our roundhouse kick we can use from the knee to until head. Okay, this can be used as a lower kick, kick to a rib, and as a, we can use also as a head kick. So I'll show how to do it. So first, so this will go for lower kick. Second for the rib cage. So this will go rib cage. Then we can go for body shots. So here, this is body shots. And then for head shots, okay, same roundhouse kick but with a different change in angle. We can use in different ways. Okay, there is another form of roundhouse kick where we will attack the center. So this is like up and go for this part, middle part. Okay, up, go for middle part. Okay, so this is roundhouse kick. Now I'll help Sonu, or I'll train Sonu how to practice roundhouse kick. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, got up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Guard on. You have to kick like this. Okay, not like this. You have to kick like this. Ready? Cut up. 1. Again. Take it. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Kick. 4, 5, 6. More na, go to Modi. 7, 8. Guard. Kick. Straight. Stand. 9, 10. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, kick. 1, kick. 2, kick. 3, kick. 4. Jagaru. 5. Jagaru. 6. 7. Jagaru. 8. 9. Go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jagaru. Empty. Not like this. From here. This side. And 2. Guard up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Guard up.
Hello friends, every day is getting little bit tough for me, but I am also learning new things. I am excited about that. I am thankful to Stay Motivated team giving me this platform, so the noise is never give off. Thank you.